All right, welcome back. Welcome back to part 2 video and answering the GED Math Test Question. We're practicing word problems, and in this particular problem, we're driving to and forth back from work, and an answer in hours and minutes. How long does that take in a month with 4 weeks? Hey, let's organize some facts, right? We know that within 60 minutes equals 1 hour. It's something we need to know. We also know that there are 5 driving days in a week, right? You drive to and from work typically on average 5 days a week. That was given in the actual problem. And the drive time is 35 minutes one way, 35 minutes the other way in one day. So we want to organize these facts. All right, we know that there are 4 weeks in this particular month as stated in the test question. So you want to organize, gather these facts. 35 minutes plus 35 minutes gives a total of 70 minutes a day drive time. Now remember, 60 minutes equals 1 hour. You want to keep that fresh in your mind, right? And 5 days a week we drive, and again, I'm sorry, 5 times, which for 5 days in a week we drive, and 4 weeks equals a total of 20 work days. Okay, we want to keep all this fresh in our mind. I'm going to set up a formula for you to use in order to answer this particular question in part 3.